Hello aspirants, welcome to Tathagat YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the key answers of General English paper of FDA exam which was held on February 28th, 2021. Before discussing the key answers of the General English paper, I would like to say a few words about the first paper, that is General Knowledge paper, GK paper. Friends, this year the GK paper was little unpredictable because the question paper did not cover many areas such as aptitude and other traditional areas which it used to cover before. And by looking at the question paper, we can say that most of the questions were asked from the science subject, and even in the science subject, the questions were not that easy. They were moderate to difficult level questions. Because of this, many of the students have not scored too good, that is not that they have not scored too well. And what I think is, if your score is somewhere 60 and above, then I can say that it's a very decent score for general knowledge paper. And so the second paper, that is general English or general Kannada paper, will be the deciding factor for your clearing of this FDA exam. So, not wasting much time, let's begin with the discussion of the general English paper. Okay, so in the question number, from question number 1 to 6, they have given some idioms or a phrase, and you have to just find out what does it mean. Okay, so first question says that to add insult to my injury. So to add insult to my injury means that to add something more which has already happened. So the answer for first question will be option number 3, that is to make the situation worse. Coming to the second one, I let the cat out of the bag about the wedding plans. See, letting the cat out of the bag here means that revealing something which is hidden. So when you look at when you search for this idiom in the internet, you can find that accidentally revealing something or deliberately disclosing something. So we don't know yet what the KPSC key answer will choose the right answer as, but we have chosen that it will be I accidentally revealing the wedding plan. Okay, coming to the third question, Manjesh showed his true color. So showing the true colors means revealing his real character. So the option will be answer number 3. Then fourth question, corruption is the order of the day. So order of the day means it's very common nowadays. It means that it is very common nowadays. So next the fifth question, people raised their voice against the murder of the leader. So raising the voice against is to protest, we can say. So people protested against the murder. Prudent people will not take a leap into in the dark. So prudent people are someone who are a little who will think before acting. Okay, so they will not take a leap into the dark. See, taking leap into the dark is without knowing what the dangers are there, taking the action without knowing the dangers. So the appropriate option would be option number 2, that is prudent people do not do anything without any idea about the effects of the action. Okay, so coming to the next question. So next question in the direction, it says that from question number 7 to 11, they have asked us to find out the word which is correctly spelt. Okay, first seventh question, that is pneumonia. So here the correctly spelled word is 3, that is option number 3, PNUEMONIA, pneumonia. Next, coming to the eighth one, here the correct answer option is enmity, ENMITY, enmity. It's not enmity, because when we see that enemy, the spelling of the enemy is ENEMY, but when it comes to enmity, it is ENMITY. Okay. Next, in the ninth one, the correct answer option is the option number 1, that is pronunciation. See, it's not pronunciation, it is pronunciation, because when we see pronounce, the letters would be PRONOUNCE, pronounce. But when it comes to pronunciation, PRONUNCIATION would be the right answer. Though coming to the 10th question, efflorescence, EFFLORESCENCE, that is option number 3. Efflorescence here means that something which is shining, we can say. Okay, coming to the question number 11, the correct answer is option number 2, that is schizophrenia. Okay, next question number 12 to 21, here they have asked us to choose a synonym. Synonym is the similar word. Okay, so utility is nothing but usefulness. Next, coming to the question number 13, launch means to start or to begin something. Next, question number 14 says that sturdy is something which is very strong. Okay, so even the vigorous also means the same thing. Next, 15th is fragile is something which is delicate or weak, we can say delicate. So generous is the liberal way. Okay, so 16th answer is option number 2. Then coming to the 17th, inscrutable is something which is mysterious or hidden, we can say mysterious. Okay, next, scuttle is to destroy something, that is scuttle. Pinion is to restrain. See here, if it was opinion is to express something, whereas pinion is to restrain from that expressing. Okay, next, 20th is disparage is to belittle means which is of very little use, we can say. So disparage means that the things which are of very little use, so that's why the option would be belittle. Next, 21, vilify is to defame someone. Okay, so next, in the next question, that is question number 22 to 31, the direction they have said that choose which is an antonym, that is the most opposite word. Okay, lethargic means which is slow, so the opposite would be active means which can be fast. Okay, famous means popular. So see, when we even if you don't know which is the proper answer, you can see that option 1, 2 and 3 almost means the same. Option 1 doesn't mean, option 2 and 3 means the same, popular or common. So something it is related to the famous, but obscure is the right answer for this question. Obscure means one which is not known. Okay, next, wealth, the answer would be poverty. It will not be poor. If the question was reading as wealthy, then we could have said that the answer would be poor, but the question reads it's only wealth, then we can say that the answer is poverty. Next, impowerish means it's a process of becoming removing something or making something poor. Then the option would be enrich. Okay, enrich is also a process wherein to make something rich or more strong, we can say. Okay, so 25, the answer would be option number 3. Then baroque means something which does not have any shape. Okay, something which is shapeless, we can say. So the opposite to that would be plain. Okay, next, evasive means someone who tries to evade something. Okay, for example, tax evasion, we can say, where we can think of in that way. So the evasive opposite word would be honest. Then implicated, the opposite word of implicated would be absolved. See, do not get confused here with implicit and explicit, that is different thing. Implicated, opposite word would be absolved. Next, transmit means to throw out something. See, televise also means the same, to throw out something, and reply also means the same, that to throw out something, or show also means the same, but withholding is the opposite word of the transmit. Then comes the cruelty. Here, most appropriate options would seem like option number 1 as well as option number 3, but when we look carefully, its option is option number 4, that is compassion. Okay, next, whittled means to decrease, actually. So the answer would be to increase. Okay, so that is option number 1. Next, question number 32 to 35, they have said that to identify grammatically incorrect part of the sentences. So question number 32, read that neither he nor his dad are good at driving. So here the incorrect part of the sentence would be option number 4, that is are good at driving. It should be neither he nor his dad is good at driving. Okay, 33 reads that if you would try sincerely, you would get good results certainly. See, would should be used in the past sense, because see, the question should have been read like this: if you would have tried sincerely, or if you want to use it in the present sense, you should use it as if you will try sincerely. So the first part of the sentence is wrong. So if you would try sincerely would be the right answer. Next, coming to the 34th question, no sooner was he presented with a trophy than he started crying. See, here the option would be option number 4, that is then he started crying, because when we use no sooner in the beginning itself, then there is no use to there is no necessity to use the word then. So the right sentence would be, no sooner was he presented with a trophy, he started crying. Okay, so the answer is option number 4. Next, coming to the 35th question, they asked him to keep standing till till they had returned. So the part of the sentence which has defect is option number 3, that is till they had returned. So the exact answer should be till they had returned, NED it should be. Okay, so till they had returned has the error. So 36, my friend did not see me for many years when I met him last week. Actually, this sentence does not have any error. Okay. Okay. So coming to the next question, that is question number 31 to 37 to 41. So what they have asked is they have asked us to fill in the blanks with the appropriate article. See, friends, there are mainly two types of articles, that is the definite article as well as the indefinite article. In definite article, we can use the article the, and indefinite article we can use two articles, that is a and an. So an can be used somewhere wherein the word sounds like vowel or starts with a vowel, and a should be used for that indefinite article which has a consonant in it. Okay, so here the appropriate answer for question number 37 is the. So whenever we are addressing a particular country, we should use the as the appropriate article. Okay, so the French defeated the Germans can be the right answer. So next, the horse is a noble animal. 38, question number 38. 39, this is the best book of elementary chemistry. So option number 3. Then yesterday an European called at my office. Okay, so an would be the right answer. I have a black and a white dog. Okay, question number 41, the option would be answer on option number 2. Next, coming to question number 42 to 47, they deal with what they have asked is to fill in the blanks with the appropriate verb and choose the correct answer from the given options. Okay, so my friend and benefactor have come. Okay, so here there's plural, that is friend and benefactor, so we have to use have. They have come. Okay, next, the orator and the statements are dead. So are, because there is plural orator as well as there is statesman, so we are using are dead. Next, bread and milk are his only food. Okay, next, question number 45, fire and water do not agree. Okay, they do not agree. Next, question number 46, we enjoyed ourselves a lot at the picnic yesterday. See, because yesterday they're talking something which has been done in the past. So we is the plural. So we enjoyed ourselves. Ourselves also talks about the plural. So we enjoyed ourselves a lot at the picnic yesterday would be the right answer. Question number 47, if all candidates knew, that is option 2, KNEW, if all candidates knew the answers, they would be passing the exams easily. Next, question number 48 to 50, what they have asked us is, they have given some 4 sentences and 3 sentences are not correct, and we have to find only one sentence which is correct in the given 4 options. So question number 48, the correct option would be option number 3, every student likes the teacher. Okay, so it should be likes, LIKES should be the right answer. So coming to the 49th, Jim and I are going to the beach is the right answer. See, when we are using I, when we are addressing ourselves, so as the first person, I, me, myself. So this should be the right way. So Jim and I are going to the beach would be the right answer, most appropriate answer here. So coming to the next question, that is question number 50. She does not listen to me would be the right answer. That is option number 2. Next, question number 51 to 55, they are designed to test the comprehension of the candidate. So they have asked us to choose the correct answer for the given option that explains the meaning of the underlined word. Okay, so the question reads, the girl has her father's assent to the marriage. Here assent means approval or agreement. Okay, so the approval would be the right answer, option number 2. Next, at the time of interview, the candidate should furnish the original credentials. Credentials are here certificates we can say. Okay, next 53, recently in Big Bazaar discount sale, Rita Kumari brought furniture at fabulously low price. So fabulously here can be equated with unbelievably low price. Okay. So next question 54. The government has rehabilitated the roadside dwellers by giving free houses in the extension area. So to rehabilitate someone means to give them a new habitation. Okay. So here the most appropriate answer would be re-establishing them. Okay. Next, democracy cannot tolerate onerous leaders. Onerous here means oppressive. Okay, oppressive leaders. Next, question number 56. In the sentence, let us even the ground. The word even belongs to. So it is a verb. So let us even the ground means even is the action which is being taken. So the answer would be verb. Next, Australia is one of the dash with high density of population in the world. So whenever such kind of questions are asked, we should go for the plural, that is countries. Australia is one of the countries with very high density of population in the world. Because why we are using countries here is they are telling that there are many countries which have highest density of the population, and Australia is one among them. So Australia is one of the countries with very high density of population in the world. Next, question number 58. A sentence that expresses a command, order, desire, appeal is called as imperative sentence. Okay, it's a part of speech, that is imperative sentence. Next, in the next question, that is from 59 to 63, they have asked us to fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. Prepositions are something which are added in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so let us see. Question number 59. Yesterday, the thieves broke dash my house, that is into my house, and stole my watch and money. Sir, the answer is into. He looks upset. I think he took the criticism to heart. So it should be to heart. Question number 61. Why is he coming to me? So here towards me would not be the most appropriate word to use. Actually, when you look if even though if you use towards, it would be correct. So we don't know like if the KPSC is going to give the grace mark for this question, or they'll choose only one answer. So let's wait and watch. So if you are used to or towards, both means the same thing. Okay. Next, question number 62. Escaping from its cage, my little bird flew through the open window. Okay. So that is option number 2. Next, coming to question number 63. I was extremely happy that day because I had passed my exam with flying colors. Okay, it should be with flying colors. Next, question number 64 to 68. So here they have asked us to read the sentence carefully and to choose the correct answer from the options given below. So here there is something like conversation. So in the question 64, Sneha is the speaker here. She is saying that by initiating the fight with Sonal in the office, Kavita had killed the goose that lays the golden egg. So friends, even in the Kannada, there is a saying wherein if we kill the hen which is laying the golden egg, then we would be the loser. So here also the same thing. So Kavita, by choosing to fight with the Sonal, she had lost. Okay, she'll face the losses for that. Okay, so the most appropriate option would be Kavita had ruined her chances of success by picking a fight with Sonal in the office. That is 64, option number 2. Next, coming to the 65th, Neha says that what happened to Ajay? Dinesh says he burnt his fingers by interfering in his neighbor's affair. So to burn fingers means it does not mean literally he burnt his finger, but it means that he got himself into the trouble. That is option number 1. Next, narrator says that after trying hard to convince Naresh to change his ways, Ramesh realized that a leopard cannot change its spots. So leopard cannot change its spots. It's a idiom or a phrase we can say. So it means that one cannot change his original character. Okay. So option number 1 would be the appropriate answer for 66. That is, Ramesh realized that Naresh would never change his ways. Coming to the 67th question, do you expect much rain this month? It hardly ever rains in March. Okay, the man is suggesting about option number 1, that is, there is little rain in the March. See, he is not telling that there will never be rain in the March. He is telling that it hardly rains. It hardly ever rains. Means there might be rain, but it will be very little. Okay. Next, question number 68. Clara, she says that alas, we lost the match. Manu replies, oh, don't pour oil on the troubled water. So what does Manu mean about the match? So Manu means about the match that Manu is in grief actually. because of the loss. So Manu was in grief that they lost the match. That would be the appropriate answer. Next, coming to the question number 69 to 73, they have given one paragraph. So we have to read the paragraph and they have given the numbers also. So it's a jumbled statement. So we have to properly arrange them. Okay. So here there's no much logic involved here. So we just have to read the statements given and we have to arrange the jumbled paragraph. Okay. Jumbled sentences. So the answer for the 69th question would be option number 2, that is QSRP. QSRP. Okay. Next, question number 70, that is long. For this, the appropriate answer is option number 3, that is RPSQ. So you can just go through this because I don't have time to read all these jumbled words, but I have marked the correct answers. You can cross verify them once. Okay. Next, the correct answer for question number 71 is option number 2. Next, for 72, the right answer is option number 1. And for 73, the right answer is option number 1 again. Okay. So next, this says that they have given the passage here from and they have asked question number 74 to 78. So by reading these passages, we have to answer the questions. So in the first question, they have asked from the first paragraph, give a synonym for the deep. So profound also means that something which is deep. Okay. Profound is the right answer. So coming to 75th question, what could who could read and gain from English literature? So from the English literature during British time, it was the educated Indians who were able to reap the benefit of the English literature. So according to the passage also, we have to read this, and in the passage also it has been given that the educated English gained from the English literature. From the third paragraph, give an antonym for victorious. So the antonym, that is the opposite word of victorious, is vanquished. Vanquished means something who has lost or defeated. So vanquished would be the right answer. Question number 77 says that whose speeches did Tagore listen to as a boy? So according to the statement, according to the paragraph, it is nothing but John Bright. It's a direct answer. So what helped the Indians to conceive a notion of the Englishman? So it is the literature of the English which helped the Indians to understand about the Englishman. So it is the literature. 78, option number 2. Next, coming to the next paragraph, that is they have given one more paragraph and they have asked 2 questions. One question is, what does the writer highlight in the given passage? So in this given passage, the writer is highlighting about the harmonious coexistence among all the species in this universe and the importance of forest in intellectual, material and cultural evolution of the man. So the appropriate answer is option number 3, that is 2 and 3. Statement 2 and 3. Next, question number 80, what is the principle of Indian civilization? So here in the first paragraph and the last part, they have given this, the unifying principle of life in diversity of democratic pluralism thus became the principle of Indian civilization. So the answer would be option number 3, that is unity in diversity and democratic pluralism. Next, question number 81 to 86, they have asked us to complete the sentence in the most and best and most appropriate way. Okay. So some are dash in the body but energetic in mind. So energetic, the opposite word of the energetic is agile, that is weak. So some are agile, that is delicate in body, but they might be very energetic in the mind. So answer would be agile. Next, it is education which makes a man conscious and provides him with a view of his own convictions and judgment. Honesty is developing them, dash in expressing them, and vigor in urging them. So here the appropriate answer is eloquence. So eloquence means to open freely or rationally, to express freely or rationally, we can say. Okay. Next, question number 83 reads that Ranjan is always beating around the bush. So he is dash in his expression. Here the answer would be ambiguous. Ambiguous is something which is not clear. Okay. So Rajan is ambiguous in his expression. Next, coming to question number 84, the machine themselves and the power which the machines have given us are not civilization but are dash to civilization. Here the answer would be steps to civilization. If there would the word to would have not been there, then the answer could have been aid. But civilization but are aids, it aids civilization, but here they have given 2, so it would be the most appropriate answer would be steps. Okay, so it is steps to civilization. Next, question number 85 reads that to have a successful counseling session, both parties need to be relaxed and dash so that communication is free and easy. So it should be relaxed and comfortable. So option number 4 is the right answer. Next, question number 86 reads that nowadays nobody likes Petrarch would think of becoming emotional over the possession of a mere book, a means to amuse few dash hours. So whenever we read the book, we read it in the leisure, that is free time. So option would be the right option would be the option number 2, that is leisure. Next, question number 87 to 90 are designed to test your ability to use the right prefix. So we have to use the right prefix here. Question number 87 reads that history has taught us that the wicked rulers are to be dash throned, that is dethroned, to dethrone. Dethrone means to remove from the power. Okay. 88th, his behavior was called provocative and social, dash social, that is antisocial. See, antisocial means that hostile to normal standards of social behavior. So answer is 4. 89, tourists commonly complain that the sellers are always overcharges for their goods. Overcharge means to pay more than the actual price. So question number 90 said that Suma participated in dash state competition. Interstate means between the two different states. Okay. So answer would be 2. Next, the direction for question number 91 to 100, they have given that first they have given one group of two words which has a relationship. So we have to see the options and choose that option which has the similar relationship to the given relationship. So question number 91 reads that goat and kid. So there is something which is goat on the one side and there is kid on the other side. So in the same way, there is option number 2 would be the most appropriate because there is sheep on one side and it's kid, that is lamb on the other side. Okay, next coming to question number 92, that is cow and kine. See friends, kine means it is group of cows. So group of cows is called as kine. So here the most appropriate answer is option number 3, that is cacti and cactus. So group of cacti is called as cactus. Okay. So here ghee and geese would not be the answer because it is goose and geese. If it was goose and geese, then it would have been the right answer. And here matrix and matrices would be the right answer. So even that option would be eliminated. And foot and feet would be the right answer, but it is different here. It is not given right here. So the answer would be option number 3. That is 92 3. Then coming to 93rd, here the question is spider and web. See, spider, what it does, it designs the web. In the same way, here poet also designs his poetry or prepares his poetry. So the answer would be option number 4. 94 is wax is to candle. See, when candle is burnt, so wax would be the byproduct of it. Same way, in the same way, when the pot would be destroyed, the clay can be regained. That is option number 4. Elderly youth. So these are both the opposite word, elder and youth. So here in the given option, the opposite words are well and ill. So that is option number 4. Next, paper is to ream. So ream is nothing but it is one of the way of measuring the number of the papers. So it is nearly 500 something, 500 odd. The number I don't know exact number, but it is something like that. So here the most appropriate answer would be eggs is to dozen because dozen suggests the number 12. Okay. Next, question number 97, fish shoal. So shoal is nothing but a group of fish. Okay. So here the theater is nothing but audience is to theater would be the most appropriate option for this question. That is 97. Because when you take the shark, elephant and whale, so group of those animals is called by different names which has not been given here. So the audience and theater would be the most appropriate answer. So 98 is seer is to prophecy and the most appropriate answer is sage is to wisdom because see, the one who professes something could become the seer of an organization. In the same way, the person who has wisdom can become the sage. Coming to question number 99, document is to passport. And here what we have selected is pi is to desert because see, there can be different types of documents and one among them is passport. And when it comes to desert, there can be different type of deserts and pi is one among them. So this is what we have marked as the most appropriate answer. But we have little confusion in this 99th question, and let us see what the KPSC key answer would be. Okay. So coming to the last question, that is album, that is photographs. So album means it is something which has so many photographs. In the same way, the shelf is something which has so many books. So that is the most appropriate answer. So that's it, guys. So we have discussed about the key answers of general English paper of FDA 2021. Hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And we have more plans coming for you guys. So keep subscribed and keep sharing about the channel. Thank you.